Good afternoon, all of you.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Okay, so we will start a new chapter today. Good afternoon. We are starting a new chapter today in reasoning, that is classification. Good afternoon. Please write down the heading of the chapter, the name of the chapter, classification. All of you. Write down the name of the chapter.
Sure, it.
Written?
Yes, sir. Sir, in classification, what we have to do in this?
Yes, I'm just telling you what you have to do in the chapter classification. There will be a question. It will have 4 options. I will give you a question. It will have 4 options, 4 or 5 maybe. So out of all the options, there will be one option which will be different from the rest of the options. You have to find the different one. That means you have to choose the odd one out.
Okay.
Okay, so out of 4 options, 3 options will belong to the same category. उसमें कुछ similarity होगी.
And sir, what is in analogy?
Sir, it is like
And there will be only
odd one
one
out.
chapter. There will be one chapter. One word. One option will be there, which will be different from the rest of the options, which will not belong to the same category. वो same type का नहीं होगा.
Sir, we
So
know
that
that.
you have to find. Okay, so this is find the odd one out. ऐसा करना है, ठीक है? You all know how to do.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir, please
this
give
is
question.
Yes,
this
sir.
this is your first question. All of you start doing it.
Sir, we have to do this in copy.
Note down the question in your copy and
Sir, what is joystick?
just wait, beta.
Sir, joystick is a gaming type thing which we can use
Yes,
to
yes,
play game.
yes, yes, yes. So this is your first question. A joystick is a device used for gaming.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I sent the answer in the chat box. Please check.
Just wait, beta. So all of you, you have to do 2 things. First is you have to send your answer in the chat box, and second thing, you will note down the question in your copies. Okay. Please note down the question in your copy. Everyone. I hope you all are writing. Written the question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we have written. And give the answer in the chat box.
Yes,
Okay.
sir, I answered.
So tell me what is your answer first. Let me check your answers.
Ma'am, mouse. Sir, mouse.
Sir,
The
joystick.
answer
joystick.
is
Sir, joystick.
beta.
Sir, joystick.
Joystick because the keyboard, mouse, and monitor are the computer parts, and joystick is a gaming game.
Joystick
Yes,
is
sir.
also a computer part, beta. Let me tell you, the answer is monitor. Why monitor? Because keyboard, mouse, and joystick are input devices of a computer. Input and output devices आपको मालूम है? Input device क्या होती है?
Yes, sir.
Keyboard, mouse, and joystick are input devices. शाली मैम ने पढ़ाया होगा आपको इनपुट डिवाइसेस आउटपुट डिवाइसेस.
Yes, sir.
तो कीबोर्ड माउस एंड जॉयस्टिक आर ऑल द थ्री आर इनपुट डिवाइसेस जिसमें से आप कुछ टाइप करते हैं या फिर माउस की कर्सर से आप कुछ इंस्ट्रक्शन देते हैं मॉनिटर को. जॉयस्टिक इज आल्सो अ टाइप ऑफ इनपुट डिवाइस बिकॉज यू आर प्लेइंग व्हेन यू आर प्लेइंग अ गेम. सो यू आर प्रेसिंग द कीज. वो कीज आप प्रेस करते हो तो गेम आपका वर्क करता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग. आपका गेम उसी के अकॉर्डिंग वर्क करता है. सो दैट इज द इनपुट डिवाइस. आपने कोई इंस्ट्रक्शन दी कंप्यूटर को, आपने इंस्ट्रक्शन दी है. और मॉनिटर इज अ टाइप ऑफ आउटपुट डिवाइस कि आपने जो करा वो आप मॉनिटर के ऊपर देख सकते हैं, वो आपको शो कर रहा है कि ये हुआ. ओके, सो दैट इज व्हाई मॉनिटर इज द आंसर. You can write down the reason in the bracket. Output device. It is the only output device. ठीक है. Write down the reason in the bracket. In the exam, you will not write the reason. This is just to explain you. अगर एग्जाम में या टेस्ट में क्वेश्चन आते हैं क्लासिफिकेशन के, you will not write the reason. Just tick mark the correct answer. Understood, all of you? This one.
Okay, sir. Sir, please try next one.
Okay, are you all ready for the next one?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
I
sir.
hope you all will give the correct answers. So please give your answers in the chat box. Okay, chat box में answer देना. And write down the questions in your copy. One more very important thing. In every question, you will write the same thing. Question तो same लिखेंगे, options change हो जाएंगे. Question क्या होगा? Find the odd one out. Understood?
Please wait 1 minute.
In all the questions, you have to write this. Find the odd one out. Okay. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So question
Please
2.
wait.
Question 2. Find the odd one out. Okay. Question 2. Ready? All of you. Are you all ready?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want you all to give all the answers in the chat box and write the questions in your copy. सारे questions means question आपको same लिखना है. पहले question क्या लिखना है? Find the odd one out. This is the question. पहले question लिखना है, then write down the options and then give your answer in the chat box. I hope you all will do this. Start doing. Give the answers of all the 4 questions. Yes. Have you all done all the questions?
Sir, I have sent on the chat
Sir,
box.
please, I have not done first question.
Have you written the questions in your copy?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Sir, I have sent
All the
on
four
the
questions?
chat box also.
Sir, I also sent an answer in chat box.
Okay. Have you sent all the answers? All the 4 answers?
Sir, I don't
Sir,
know.
I
sir.
also sent.
Sir, I don't
Sir,
know.
I
sir.
also sent in chat box.
Sir, I don't know, sir. Fourth
Okay,
one.
very
What
good.
is written in the fifth one? I can't see in this.
It is Rig Ved, Ayurved, Yajurved, and Samved. Rig Ved, Rigveda, Ayurved, Ayurveda, Yajurved, Yajurveda, Samved, Samved.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, by mistake, I have sent question 5 wrong. Should I send one more time question 5?
Yes, you can send the answer.
Sir, I have sent one more time question 5.
Sir, I have sent all the answer till answer.
Okay, I'm telling you all the answers now. All of you, you can check your answers. I have also seen your answers. Some of you have sent the correct answers. Some of you have given some wrong answers, some correct answers. Okay, chalo. I will give you all the answers. Now you all can check, and also don't forget to write the correct reason of all the questions. Okay. So first one, all of you, are you all ready? The answer is chicken. Answer is chicken. First one. What is the reason? All the others can live in
Because
water.
we can
This is
eat
not
chicken.
cannot live in water, beta. Not eat.
And sir, we
Cannot
can also eat chicken.
live in water. Live on water. We cannot in water. Cannot live on water.
Sir, fifth one answer is Sir B. Ayurveda.
Okay. Then now
Sir, B is Ayurveda. Fifth is
I hope
Ayurveda.
have you all written the reason of question 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm removing the reason from here. Okay, third one. What
Sir,
is the answer?
third is
What is the answer,
sir,
all of
third
you?
is lion.
The third is loin.
The answer of third one is wolf.
Third is panther.
of third one is
Wolf is the answer of third one. Wolf. Because wolf is the only animal out of these 4 which is not in the family of cat. Lion is a type of cat. Tiger is a type of cat. Panther is a type of cat. Do you all know these are all from the cat family? Lion, tiger, and panther are from the cat family. Wolf is not from the cat family. So you can write down the reason.
Eagle.
Not a cat. Question 3 C part is the correct one. Wolf, not a cat.
Sir, my all is correct.
Very good.
Sir, fourth is eagle.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one.
Because eagle can fly, but kiwi, emu, ostrich
Yes.
cannot fly.
Very good.
Sir,
Fourth
kiwi,
one.
emu,
Eagle is
ostrich
the
cannot fly.
answer. Can
Sir,
fly.
Sir, kiwi, emu, and ostrich cannot fly. That's why eagle.
Yes. Eagle is the answer because eagle is the only bird which can fly out of these four birds. Understood? Answer of
Yes,
question
sir.
4. Okay, question 5.
the answer is B. Ayurveda.
The correct answer is
D,
B,
sir, D.
B,
Question
B Ayurveda. Correct answer is B Ayurveda.
Ma'am, sir, because it, sir, because all are, sir, because Ayurveda is a Veda and all are not.
Let me tell you what is the reason. All of you listen. Rig Veda, Yajurved, Samved, all these three, Ayurved ko chhod ke, Rig Veda, Yajurved and Samved are related to Hindu mythology. They are actually the one of the four Vedas, three of the four Vedas. Hindu mythology के four Veda होते हैं, वेद होते हैं. So one of them is Rig Veda, Yajurved is another one, Samved is another one. So ये mythology से related है. Hindu mythology से related to mythology. Whereas Ayurveda is a type of technology for medicine. It is a technology for medicine. So you can write down the reason related to medical. Ayurveda is related to medical. All the others are not related to medical. This is related to medical. Okay. Write down the reason. Have you all written the reason?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we move on to the next question? सो नहीं रहा है, आंखें खुली पड़ी हैं. Okay, all of you ready for the next question? Question number 6.
Sir,
Sir,
wait for a minute.
please wait.
Have you written the reasons also, all of you?
Sir, please wait.
Okay, all of you. Next question.
Sir, please wait 1 minute.
क्या कर रहे हो बेटा? ऐसा क्या कर रहे हो तुम? What are you doing?
Sir, I am on 5th one.
Harsh Agarwal, you have not written the questions. I gave you so much time to write the questions.
No, sir, I have write the reason. Now you can erase.
You have written the reason. This is the reason. Have you written? Related to medical. Okay.
Yes,
Written?
sir.
Okay, next question.
Yes.
This is the next one. Write down the question. Find the odd one out. Find the odd one out, and then give your answer in the chat box. Give your answer in the chat box. Write down the question and then give the answer in the chat box. Yes, done, all of you.
Yes, sir. Correct answer. Sir, because
oil.
sir, curd.
Answer
oil.
is,
Sir, curd.
answer is
Sir, oil.
Sir, tea.
answer is oil. It is not a milk product.
Sir, the oil is not made of milk.
Yes. All the other things are made up of milk. These all are milk products. Curd is a milk product, butter is a milk product, cheese is a milk product, oil is not a milk product. So the answer is oil. Understood? Question 7. Have you all understood the sixth one and written in your copies?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes,
Next
sir.
question. Next question. Give the answer in the chat box again, okay? I'm writing the question. Option A. Cricket. Football. Tennis. Hockey. Cricket, football, tennis, hockey. Don't forget to note down the question in your copy also. Write down the question also in your copy. First, you will write down, find the odd one out. पहले ये लिखेंगे, find the odd one out, and then write the options. Okay, I can see many of you are giving the answer and you are giving the reason also. It is very good to see you all are trying your best. अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे देख के. Very good, all of you.
These are sports we can play with the hand, and the football we can play with the leg.
Sir, because all
Hockey is a
sir,
national game. Sir, hockey
we
is a
play all
national game.
games with
Sir, hockey is a
ball and
national game. Sir,
Sir,
hockey is a
football.
national
Sir,
game.
football, sir, because they all.
Sir,
we,
football
Sir,
because
hockey-
we
sir,
play
hockey
football with
is
legs.
net.
Football.
or sir,
Sir,
there
hockey
is a small ball, and in football there is a big ball.
Sir, tennis, sir, because it is sir net.
Look at the reason. 2 or 4 players. टेनिस कितने प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं? 2 or 4 players. क्रिकेट 22 प्लेयर्स खेलते हैं एक बार में.
Sir, hockey is also there.
फुटबॉल 22 players. हॉकी अगेन 22 players. तो आंसर क्या हुआ?
Sir, tennis.
टेनिस. Cricket में there are 22 players who play cricket in a match. Football also 22 players play. Hockey also 22 players play the match. In tennis 2 or 4 players. Understood?
Yes, sir.
कुछ बच्चों ने फुटबॉल आंसर दिया है. फुटबॉल भी आंसर हो सकता है if you think that cricket, tennis and hockey तीनों में you need a stick. Cricket में you need a bat. Hockey में you need a hockey stick. And tennis में you need a tennis
I
racket.
said hockey.
Tennis
Sir,
racket.
I said hockey because this is national game of India.
नहीं बेटा, this is not the reason. Actually, you have to see something which is similar in other sports also. तो बाकी सब में कोई सिमिलैरिटी ढूंढनी है आपको और एक ऐसा होगा जो बाकी सबसे अलग होगा. तो ऐसा कुछ होना चाहिए. ओके. सो फुटबॉल में you don't need any stick. You don't need a bat. You don't need a racket. You don't need any kind of a stick in football. Football में you directly hit the ball with your legs. तो फुटबॉल भी आंसर हो सकता है इसका। सो अगर आपका टेनिस आंसर है या फुटबॉल आंसर है, ये दोनों करेक्ट है। अगर टेनिस बोलते बच्चे तो भी करेक्ट है, फुटबॉल बोलते तो भी करेक्ट है। अंडरस्टूड?
Sir, my answer is football.
ओके, इट इज करेक्ट।
Sir, my answer is tennis.
टेनिस इज आल्सो
Sir,
करेक्ट।
football.
Football, tennis, both are correct. So write down the reasons, all of you. Reason लिखिए. Are you all able to understand these questions and do you find them interesting or not? These questions are interesting or not?
Sir, class is going to be over. Only, sir, 1 minute left it.
That तो I know. मैं पूछ रहा हूँ बेटा, आपको ये questions interesting लग रहे हैं या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Recording
sir.
stopped. The recording stopped.
अच्छा, the recording has stopped. ऐसा मैसेज आता है?
Yes, sir.
कब आता है ये मैसेज?
Sir, when we join recording start, when sir, when class get over, recording stopped.
ओके, क्या ऐसा ऐसे साउंड आती है, द रिकॉर्डिंग हैज स्टॉप्ड?
Yes, sir.
किसकी क्लास में आती है ये साउंड?
Sir, all the classes.
ऑल द टीचर्स? अच्छा
Yes, sir. In update.
अच्छा, वेरी गुड
Sir, I also.
वेरी गुड यार।